Tami. We need you.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Oi.
Look at that, just like that.
Me there airport.
My G's at the airport and ready to go.
Ready. Man, how did it come to this?
You're too excited to leave us.
Just a quick trip. Just a very quick trip.
Gotta check Aunt Mel and them.
Mel, yeah. Don't miss me too much, you know.
No,
I'll don't get into any trouble while I'm gone.
What kind of
Make
trouble?
sure you pick up the children, drop them off, all that jazz. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Okay, I'll call you as soon as I get there.
Okay, good. Can we kiss on camera?
You can kiss me, but not on camera.
On camera? No. We have to make MTM understand how we get.
I'm late. I think they understand.
No man, come.
You're so weird. You're so weird. Love you.
Longer kiss than that.
No,
kiss them
let's
meaningful.
go.
Tammy. Just one more second.
No.
Just one more second.
No, man. Sure. Good morning. So I am in Florida at the moment, just taking a beat, as I like to call it. It's just like a little step away, getting a few little things, nothing major, and just getting a chance to spend time with my family. I'm gonna see a couple of my friends, and I'm really looking forward to just kind of being here. Today I'm gonna go to Aventura Mall because I haven't been there in a very long time. I normally always go to Sawgrass, so I'm gonna go to Aventura today and just kind of walk around, and I don't know what else is planned for the rest of the day, but that's all I have so far. So bye. I hope everybody at home is okay. Oh, by the way, I watched the Tyson Jake Paul fight last night. I have thoughts. I have a lot of thoughts, but we'll talk about that later. What did you guys think about it? Tell me. Here with the crew now. Finally, we're gonna eat a little food. Them taking me for my favorite thing ever, a little crab boil. Love that. So where are we now? Pembroke Lakes? This is, I feel like I grew up in this mall. Me, Becky and Mel used to come here all the time when we were teenagers, and now here we are again. Oh wow. Gee. So with me to have our phone go. Say hi, Betty.
wake up. The kids them outside and make beer noise. You know, Tami is away right now. She's in Florida. And I hope she's vlogging. Anyway, I'm about to go outside and see what them going on. Because I know so them are mad Momo right now. Tami sent me one long list of things to do. What me have to do? Bright and early Monday morning. Anyway, yeah, it's a mad house. May I go outside? Oh, what going on, sir? It's a mad house. When the mother gone and foreign and everybody mad out. What's ya? Look here to me, man. When you now go run the place like a pigsty through me there, you know. Brethren, are you the ringleader, you know? You think I don't know? You are the ringleader. Be trouble, Maggie.
Be trouble. Be trouble.
What's the Ivy she?
What that makes apple? What the apple doing on the ground?
What's that? Apple bite out. My youth. How am I going? I must be rat. No, sir.
Who's apple like?
Me can't bother with this. Them mother gone a foreign and everybody turn mad. Oh God. Jaja. Ivy, what that you have on? Let me see it. Ivy have on goggles instead of make pillow pool. No sir. No, not easy.
Help me, Daddy.
Okay, come in. Hold on.
So what happens if I get it?
Wake up.
Wake up. I need step one. You can do it.
Hold on. Hold her. No, she's okay. Go, Ivy. Momo. One piece of sleeping. And what are you doing in there?
All the vegetable.
String bean and carrot. What's going on in the oven? Whoa, chicken, finger licking. Bookie, wake up.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. You wake up?
Come, let's go. Come, let's dinner time. All right, let's go. Dinner time. Dinner time.
Baby goggles.
Come. Okay, then put it on down there. Come. Come, Boogie, come.
Let's go, baby.
Yes, Simia?
Are we seasoned? Yep.
Dinner is
I don't
served.
think I can do it great like this.
Mind this?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm just.
Dinner is served. Arulana Sunday dinner. I'm sorry for now. Alright, I just eat some food now. I'm heading to the supermarket to pick up some necessary stuff. get some snacks for lunch for the kids and diapers for Ivy and yeah, things I have to do. Cause Tami Naga said the place popped down. But Naga make Momo report say the place did go down to skin and bone. And Mr. Wayne never restock the place. The place have to feel like mommy there same way, you see me? But I'm not gonna lie, she's severely missed. She's very missed. My missus are very bad. The place is not like itself without Tami, I have to admit. And this is kind of a Tami as well, because she'll see this when she's editing. Tami, we need you, and we love you, and we appreciate you. We're very grateful for you and everything that you do. All of the million things. So it's a million things, you know, really. Managing a family and a household is really a million things when you really check the fine print and the small details. The list always keeps on adding to itself, basically. So in the Gideon, I know I feel it, but it's a good feel, you know. It's a good feel. It's always good to get back the reality of what life would be like if Tami wasn't here. You know what I'm saying? And it's literally just over the weekend. It's not even a big deal or a long time she's gone for, but trust me, it's one of my worst nightmares. The fact that we could do this alone, you know. And I mean, I know a lot of you guys out there understand what that is like to parent on your own, and it's rough, you know, especially when you had a unit and then the unit split, or you know, whatever circumstance. It's a rough thing, and you really deserve a whole heap of credit, especially when you do it right, because as I said, the list just keeps on expanding, and it's just more upon top of more upon top of more. It's very demanding, you know. It's an unsung heroic, you know. You just have to do it because it has to be done, you see me? So you don't really get no trophy or no medal for parenting or being a great parent, but it all is worth it in the end, I believe. Anyway, heading off to the supermarket right quick, grab some stuff and then come back to these kids. Guys, just a drive. Literally, as me lock off the camera, I'm drive out, go up on the stoplight, green light, go. I'm driving, somebody just break the stoplight. I don't know what them think, what them feel like, if them see, cause them they look quite confident going through. I mean, I say I just threw my aware, you know. I literally have to joke a brakes, you know. I mean, say look at that, eh? That's why I tell you, say, trust me, I have to just go and give thanks and go through, you see me? You never know what they're around the corner and wait for you. However do you want me? Father God, however do you need me? Don't leave you?
No.
Alright, next time I will leave you. She said, where do you go? Huh? You check for daddy? You love daddy?
Jackson.
Yes. Who gave your phone to use?
Jackson.
Jackson?
Jackson, he made phone over there.
Okay. Oh God. No man. MTM family with the most I say, hold on there. No, that baby them say I come the other day. I said them get girl with me. And now look where we're at in life. Oh my God. Now what they are Tami says she's pregnant. And look here. Eh? Stand up and I cut 10. Drama this. She's the boss of the house, by the way. She just tell me what to do. Hey, hello. Come off of that. Come off of YouTube. Little boy. How much time I have to tell you?
Huge independence.
Doing some homework with the big man Atlas.
They really put independence as the bonus word. Independence.
Yeah, you have that one now.
That's the easiest word ever.
I know, but still, just study these, write them off now.
Right.
I-V-E-R. Nice. Internalize them. Budget.
I know.
Budget.
Budget.
You know what I'm saying?
Budget.
You can't forget
Budget.
it. Budget.